आयोजित किए जाते हैं।
Today, we have the honor of having DCPO RW and Chairman BMC Srimati Suvarna Deshpande ma'am and the Honorable CM our Junior Sri Kiran Ratan. Good morning, everyone. A very happy Republic Day to you all. It is my proud privilege to welcome CPCO ma'am in our Vidyalaya premises on the occasion of Republic Day celebration. Take this occasion in your company, and there are entities also, parents also, teachers also, and the students also on this occasion. And I'm very happy that the chairman ma'am is with us, and it has multiplied our happiness, and the celebration will be a grand one. Welcome ma'am in our Vidyalaya. Yes.
मैं मधुरा आड्रिया से आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने वाली हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है प्यारा हिंदुस्तान। तो लीजिए प्रस्तुत है। अमरापुरी से भी बढ़कर के जिसका गौरव गान है, तीन लोक से न्यारा अपना प्यारा हिंदुस्तान है। गंगा यमुना सरस्वती से संचित जो गत क्लेश है, सजला सफला सस्य श्यामला, सजला सफला सस्य श्यामला, जिसकी धरा विशेष है। ज्ञान रश्मि जिसने बिखेर कर किया विश्व कल्याण है। सतत सत्य रत धर्म प्राण वह अपना भारत देश है। यही मिला आकार नेको मिली नई सौगात है। इसके दर्शन का प्रकाश ही युग के लिए विहान है। वेदों के मंत्रों से गुंजित स्वर जिसका निर्भ्रांत है। प्रज्ञा की गरिमा से दीपित जग जीवन अक्लांत है। तपोभूमि वह जहाँ कर्म की सरिता बहती शांत है। अति उदात्त आदर्शों की निधियों से यह धनवान है, यह धनवान है। अमरापुरी से भी बढ़कर के जिसका गौरव गान है, तीन लोक से न्यारा अपना प्यारा हिंदुस्तान है, अपना प्यारा हिंदुस्तान है। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद मधुरा इस शानदार प्रस्तुति के लिए। कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान के सम्मान का है। इसी प्रसंग में मैं ललित आदित्य पांडे को गणतंत्र दिवस पर अपने विचार प्रकट करने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
Freedom is not a thing, so it cannot be seen, it can only be felt. A very good morning to one and all distinguished chief guests of the day, respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Lalit Aditya B. Pandey from class 9th A, and today I am here to express my feelings about this very auspicious day, the Republic Day. The Republic Day is celebrated because it was when our nation, our country, our motherland became a republic, and it was when the Constitution of India was established. We all know that after independence, our country did not have its own constitution. Instead, it was ruled and governed by the rules established by the British. Although after many deliberations and amendments, a drafting committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949, and it officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. This day was selected because it was when Purna Swaraj was declared by the Indian National Congress in the 1930s. The Constitution of India declares that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. On this Republic Day, I hope that no matter who we are, irrespective of our caste, race, religion, either we are a rich or poor person, either we are a powerful politician, let's strive to cherish and follow the ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Let's make a prosperous society and make an equitable and prosperous society to uphold and protect the sovereignty and prosperity of our nation. Let's give our best and live for India on this Republic Day till our last breath. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Lalita, Mr. Pandey. In unit, when we are united with this theme, here come some of my friends with a patriotic song. Hum ek rahenge.
वाह वाह, इससे अच्छी प्रस्तुति हो ही नहीं सकती।
Principal ma'am, our chief, guests, teachers, and all my dear friends. As you are aware, we are gathered today to celebrate the 74th Republic Day of our nation. Every year on January 26th, we celebrate the Republic Day since the Indian Constitution got implemented in
Good morning to you all. Dr. Pushpa Rani Yadav, Principal KVRWF, Srimati Shailaja, Headmistress, other dignitaries, guests, teachers, staff of Vidyalaya, parents and my dear children. My hearty wishes to each one of you on this 74th Republic Day. It is my joy and privilege to be amongst you all as the nation celebrates yet another national festival today. It's a very cold morning, but our spirits are very high and we are very happy to celebrate this glorious day. Congratulations to Team KVRWF for once again arranging this program in a befitting manner. I am also looking forward to the cultural events that KV children will be presenting during the celebrations arranged by RWF at the stadium today. Let us always be responsible, law-abiding citizens every single day. That would be the best respect we pay to the nation and the republican rights we are enjoying. Let us not forget the struggles and sacrifices made by our leaders to give us the rights of living in a free nation with all rights for each citizen. Remember to always place your fundamental duties before your fundamental rights. Never restrain from actively contributing towards the qualitative progress of the nation. Let me from this platform also congratulate a few of our outstanding achievers present here and in absentia who have brought themselves and to their Vidyalaya more laurels in various fields. I congratulate the teachers who train and motivate them to keep excelling. Congratulations to Yashas Kumar Sugali of Class 7 who won the Manak Inspire National Award and was felicitated by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Union Minister for Science and Technology, in a ceremony held at New Delhi. I am extremely delighted and proud to see the achievements of RWF students at the National Sports this year. Rakshita and Anuj of Class 12 secured gold medal in Under-19 Taekwondo. Piyush Rampal of Class 12 secured gold in chess Under-19. Harshita of Class 11 secured gold and silver in skating Under-17. The Under-14 girls kabaddi team secured gold medal. Janet Philip Thomas of Class 7 secured 4 silver and 1 bronze in Under-14 swimming. Many congratulations to all the winners. Ritesh Sai of Class 9 and Gaurav Chavan and Pushpa Shri also won the bronze in Taekwondo Under-17. KV children are also doing exceptionally well in other fields like Math Olympiad or various scouts event. To name a few, Ditya KJ and Gajendra of Class 11 and Mithun of Class 10 attended the Rajya Puraskar camp. Aditi Balachandra of Class 9 participated in Silver Zone Maths Olympiad and secured first position. Jeevan of Class 9 participated in Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge and got selected for national level. He participated in Maths Olympiad organized by Science Olympiad Foundation and won the gold medal. Shashi of Class 9, Pushpa Shri of Class 9, Sheikh M of Class 8 were awarded gold medal for Taekwondo organized by Bangalore Taekwondo Association. Prince Prakash of Class 11 and Anusha Bhatt of Class 10 secured third position in Karnataka State Championship. A very big round of applause for all the winners, and I am extremely delighted to see the children of KVRWF are doing so well. The school also hosted the national level Kala Utsav and Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat event that was well appreciated by KVS RO Bangalore, and a painting competition involving 100 students from 14 neighboring schools as a part of Pariksha Pe Charcha was also organized by the school. I happily noticed how the Vidyalaya is not only producing the best
the academic front, but also excelling in all other related fields, be it cultural, sports, or scientific exploration. My blessings to you all, dear children, for a bright future. May our tricolor keep fluttering proudly with all your vigor. Jai Hind.
आपकी प्रेरणा का वालों के लिए धन्यवाद मैम।
Also felicitating a few of our students who have attained exceptional performance certificates from CBSE. Ma'am, I request you to felicitate the following children, please. Sohan Sharma of 12B. Atulya Raj, 12A. These children have secured the topmost percentage in the CBSE exam. The children can clap at the end of it. Saran, Shreyas Vyas, that is Saran on stage. Shreyas Vyas of 12A. Uchit NM of 12B. Balaji K. Murthy of 12B. Abhay G. Warrior, 10A. Pallavi Kumari Meena of 10A. Bhumika Raj Purohit of 10B. Ojas Sinha of 12B. His certificate is being collected by his parents. Congratulations, children, for bringing glory to the Vidyalaya. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the felicitations.
One and all. Before I propose the vote of thanks, I request Chief Guest Madam Srimati Suvarna Kumari Deshpande to distribute the sweets to our children. Please come, children. Srimati Suvarna Deshpande Das, CPCO RWF and Chairman, Vidyalaya Management Committee, Principal, Madam Pushpa Rani Yadav, the children, staff and all the parents. No program is complete without expressing gratitude. I express our heartfelt thanks to Madam Suvarna Deshpande Das for gracing the occasion and making the program a grand success.